received my Ipsy bag for the month of September. Okay, let's see here. The theme this month is street style. So we get this cute little bag like that. It's like grayish silver with like little studs here. Very cute. I like it. It's very soft material too. Let's see what I have inside. Okay, the first thing in here is Pacifica 7 Free Nail Color. And this is 100% vegan, cruelty-free. Oh, this is awesome. So it's like a nail polish. This is a very cute packaging too. It is pretty pigmented. Here's a swatch. So this is one coat. This is pretty awesome. Okay, up next we have Hikari in Cabernet, and this is a lipstick. Looks like that. And it's this deep red color. And a product by BA Bombshell Smooth Criminal Powder. So it seems like it's just like a translucent powder. Okay, I got this Nourish Organic Face Cleanser. This is with cucumber plus watercress. And Mitchell and Peach Luxury Hand Cream. So as the cold weather is coming up, I think it's a nice, neat item to have. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Bye.